Apex Instruments encourages you to use or perform any maintenance on this equipment safely. In this video, we may show an icon that conveys a safety hazard or risk that is associated with the operations performed. Be mindful of inherent hazards such as pinch points, sharp objects, or shock injuries.
Hey, I'm Joe Thompson with Apex Instruments Technical Service Group. I'm going to show you how to insert markers in your XD-502. You can insert markers or notes when a significant event happens in your run that is worth noting. Such events include things like pauses or anomalies in the data. To insert a marker or note, simply press the Insert Note button on the front of the console. A menu will appear and you'll have the option for leak test or marker number. Scroll down to marker number and press Select. This inserts the marker and this data will be exported later on. When the data is exported, it shows up as a marker note inside of the data. Each time you insert a marker or note, it increases incrementally. You can reset your markers or notes on the software or in your menu on the console. To reset your markers or notes in the menu, press the up button and hold for 3 seconds. When the menu appears, scroll down and you have the Reset Marker Number option here. Press Select to enter it and it shows your current marker number is at 2. You can reset this back to 1 by pressing Select and it will exit out of the menu. You can go back to the home screen by pressing the timer button.